wiki.easyvid.com. Search Easyvid Wiki before you decide.
Easybib presents the 7 best ergonomic keyboards. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7, the gentle, colorful glow of the Adesso Trueform 150 illuminated ergonomic keyboard will help prevent eye strain, even if you work in low-light conditions. It uses quiet membrane keys and glows either green, red, or blue. However, it does have poor spacebar positioning. At number 6, the Microsoft Sculpt ergonomic desktop is a great choice for the user who wants to relax their wrists but isn't ready for a wildly newfangled keyboard layout. It comes with a separate number pad, an ergonomic thumb scoop mouse, and a 4-way scroll wheel. Coming in at number 5 on our list, this ergonomic adjustable color luminous backlit multimedia gaming keyboard looks intense when ablaze with color, but of course can also be turned down to look normal. It's a durable ABS construction that features a DPI Governor multi-speed mouse and a keyboard life rated at 10 million clicks. To see all this stuff, go to wiki.easyvid.com and search for ergonomic keyboards, or click beneath this video. At number 4, the Logitech Wireless Wave MK550 lets you comfortably type away anywhere, from your desk to a table to your lap, if that's where you prefer to rest your keyboard. It comes with a wireless mouse, a 30-foot operating range, and an extremely long battery life. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Microsoft Natural Ergonomic Keyboard 4000 sits at the intersection of great price and good quality, making it a fine choice for any serious typist or programmer. It's compatible with most Windows and Mac operating systems, and features email and internet hotkeys and an intuitive zoom slider. At number 2, the Adesso Trueform Media Contoured ergonomic keyboard is a surprisingly low-cost option, considering how well it serves its legions of satisfied users. It comes with a sloped rest for wrists, 105 keys, and a power-save sleep function. And coming in at number 1 on our list, if you use your computer for hours and hours every day and you're extremely serious about joint health, then consider the Kinesis KB500 USB BLK Advantage contoured keyboard. It has onboard programmability and includes legend keys. USB devices can be hot plugged. To see all this stuff, go to wiki.easyvid.com and search for ergonomic keyboards, or click beneath this video.